Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see how to use some methods in this video we will see how to use execute reader with small example. As we see in our example videos, you see ADO.NET is using execute reader, execute scalar and execute non-squaring. First of all, if you want to read or if you want to retrieve some data from backend, you need to use execute reader and execute scalar, whereas execute non-query is used to update, edit. So to edit, insert or any changes you want to do in database, you need to take execute non-query. So let's see with an example how we use execute reader, like new website using C#, and what I'm doing is I'm using this login table in our Mendu database. If I give 500, I need to get username and password. So let's see how it goes now. Like I want to go to the toolbox. I need one text box and two labels to get our username and password. When I click on button, I need to get get. So your username where password is. Okay, so what I'll do is first I'll put these names as like unknown. When I click on button, when I give that ID value, I need to get these names and password into that field. So let's double click on that and you see a button click event, and let's write a namespace to use our SQL client or SQL server. So we need to instantiate SQL connection. So let's go to our server explorer. Let's get connection string. Okay, and initialize SQL command 70 in the SQL data reader also. Okay, so let's open our connection here inside our button click, and our SQL command like select username password, username comma password. Is it right? From you can see here from login, where what is capital ID equal to and this is a string, so we need to keep single quote also. Need to close the command and the connection con. So after giving that SQL command, data reader equal to command dot execute reader. See, when you are putting some dot to our command, you see data execute non query, execute reader, and execute scalar. Even you see execute XML reader also. We'll see that example in our next videos. Now let's see execute reader. When I put this, whatever the content, like whatever we are writing here, it stores in our data reader, using this execute reader command method. Okay, so we need to move next using read method, and what I'll do is let label one dot text equal to 0.to string. See, this is our username. It stores the username, and we got our password also. It is like a memory location of 0 and 1. If you are selecting username and password, this is 0th location stores username, and first location stores the password. And after that, close the connection and build your project. Let's run it. So let's see before, like, what's going on backend, like 501. Let's queue 501. If I put on get, your username is Mrudul and your password is 14UIM. Okay, that you see in the same thing in our backend also. Let's queue 502. You see your username is emo and your password is 12345. That's it. We will see further, like execute scalar and execute non-query in our next videos. Watch all my videos on desibindas.com, and please be free to comment on my videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.